Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to convert a YouTube video to MP3 on an Android phone. Let's get started. This is a super easy tutorial for converting a video to MP3 without downloading any additional applications. I'm using my own uploaded video, which is why I'm downloading it directly from YouTube Studio. If you want to convert other YouTube videos, you can follow a similar approach by searching on Google for a YouTube video downloader website. Some of these websites allow you to download videos and also give you the option to convert them directly into MP3 format. I can't show that process here due to YouTube policies, but you can easily follow those instructions on your own. First, you need to download the video from YouTube. To do this, open the YouTube Studio app on your Android device. Once you're inside the app, tap on the Content tab at the bottom. Here, you'll see all the videos you've uploaded. Select the video you want to download, then tap on the three dots next to it. A menu will appear. From that menu, tap on Save to Device, and your video will start downloading. Now it's time to convert the video to MP3. This method is very simple. Open the file manager on your phone and locate the downloaded video. In my case, the video is saved in the Movies folder. Once you find the video, long press on it, and a few options will appear at the bottom of the screen. Tap on More, or the three dots, depending on your device. From the menu, select Rename. Here's the trick. Go to the end of the file name and delete the .mp4 extension. After that, type .mp3 instead. Once done, tap OK to save the changes. That's it. Your YouTube video has now been converted to an MP3 file. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.